Hey guys, so we're going to make some Cool Whip cookies today. Here's a few things you need. A box of cake mix of your choice, 2 eggs, an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip thawed, and a bowl with some powdered sugar in it for dipping the cookies. That's not actually for the recipe. So, I chose a spice cake because I'm probably going to do gingerbread cookies too, but these will be slightly different. I've never made this recipe before. And this is more holiday flavor, I think. I'm choosing to make this in my food processor. If you have a KitchenAid or whatever, you could use that too. I'm blending up the cake mix and the 2 eggs right now because I didn't want to add the whipped cream because it would take the air out of it to mix it too much. So as you can see, it's pretty well mixed. And I'm gonna take the lid off and add the whipped cream. Probably about half at first. So after you add about half, add the other half and mix it thoroughly by hand, doing the folding technique because you don't want to lose all of the air that's in your whipped cream. So make sure it mixes thoroughly. This is going to be a really thick batter, so take your time with this because you don't want it not mixed thoroughly. You spray your cooking sheet, and then you have your batter here, which you're going to take a spoonful and plop it into the powdered sugar. And then you're going to take the batter that's in your powdered sugar and cover it, and then put it on your cake pan, which, as you'll see in a minute, I tried doing it with a spoon to make it less messy, and then it kind of started sticking to the spoon. So it was easier to get around cookie shape, which you'll see in a minute, by kind of just doing it with my fingertips. I put the cookie in there and tossed it around and then put it on the tray from there. And then you do this until your tray is full. Then once your cookie sheet is full, you pop it in the oven. Your oven should be at 350 degrees, and these cook for about 8 minutes. When these are done, they'll look a little something like this. And then you'll have to take them out and let them cool because these are very soft cookies. So then once they cool, you should be able to take them off the tray. Give them about 10 minutes, maybe a little more. Thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you tried these, which kind you made, and how they turned out for you. Also, be sure to share this recipe with others too, and like, comment, and subscribe down below for more holiday fun. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.